Because we help people through the vehicles of free platforms like social media, like YouTube, we're also democratizing education. We have everything. We're good to go. And shoes. And we're good to go. So today we are doing a leadership offsite. My leadership team has come into Vancouver, which is really exciting. A few of them I have never met in real life before and have worked with for a very long time. We're all coming together and we're planning 2023. I've never really done in-person events of any kind. I am somewhat of an introvert and I like being online. I mean, that's why I've built my life the way that I have. So this is really the first time I've done anything like this and it feels really good. It's a completely different thing to not be in a Zoom box and to actually be able to connect with people. So today we are going to tackle basically what happened in the last 12 months, all of the key metrics for the business, the wins, the lessons. Welcome everyone. It feels so weird to be formal with all of you. And then clarifying roles, which is also, I think, part of how this came to be. So implementing leads for each department and creating really clear KPIs. I'm gonna lay out the vision for the next 12 months, along with what our North Star is, meaning what are we all aligned towards so that it's super clear what we need to do and what we don't need to do. Our North Star is we help burnt out experts who lack visibility go from being a best kept secret, unable to create the impact on the people who need the most, stuck trading their time for money, to elevating their income, impact, and authority via an online education business so that they can create a legacy business that outlasts them and democratizes entrepreneurship and education. And then everyone prior to meeting today in real life has prepared their own basically analysis of their role and of their team if they have a team. So they're going to review those and talk about, what could we start doing better? What should we stop doing? What are our strengths? What are our weaknesses? What are our opportunities? What are the threats? And we'll basically bring it all together today and have the plan so that we can then deliver that to the rest of the team and just be super efficient and aligned for the rest of the year. So that's kind of it.
So maintaining and updating the P&L is what I work on at the end of each month, ensuring that we're staying within that range. So I'm quite focused on that.
So my vision for the department is to have our process so dialed in that we have 0 red flags. That would be phenomenal.
Communication channels have been established between myself and the team to allow Sunny to be removed from day-to-day operations and decision-making so she can stay in her genius zone.
So first things first, having a team full of A players on the sales team who are 100% bought in on the plan and just excited to grow within the company and within their roles.
You have to start with the end in mind, and I think that's true of a lot of things for success, and then work your way back. So once we have the vision and the North Star for the year, then we're gonna break that down by quarter, by month, by week, by day. Yesterday was so good for just being able to get through a lot more. It's funny when you do everything online, you think Zoom is good enough, but being able to be in a room for 7 hours together and talk through every part of the business and game plan every part of the business and identify any weaknesses and opportunities allowed us to just really bring ourselves together as a team. And I feel stronger than ever with the people that I have on my team, and I feel like we're more aligned than ever as well. And we're so focused because we have one singular goal all together and we're all working in our own little departments to make that happen. So it was really amazing. It made my heart warm and fuzzy, and I feel like it's one of the best things we've ever done in the business, which is amazing.
We're gonna go get out of the city and check out what makes Vancouver most beautiful, which is what's around Vancouver, some people say.
Having the right people in the right seats, which gets said a lot, is probably the most important piece to growing a business that I've realized. The company that we all have now was started in a tiny 400 square foot apartment right there. Yeah, that was the birthplace of this. Just finished the boat ride, and it's the perfect ending to our team retreat, and it was a wild ride at points. I was a little bit scared, but I actually think it was kind of symbolic of the last year. It's been quite a ride, and it was the perfect ending to this year, and it's really just set the tone to head into the new year as a team, all heading in the same direction. It was very symbolic. So I know this was a little bit of a different video, but it was a lot of fun to put together, and I hope that it gave you a really solid behind the scenes glimpse of what the next year is gonna look like for us, and hopefully it gave you some ideas for yourself and how you can simplify, create a lot of focus, create a lot of alignment so you can create a big impact. If you enjoyed it and got some great ideas out of it, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like this kind of video too, because I plan on doing more of them, and would love to hear your thoughts and takeaways. So hit the like button if you liked it so we can reach more people. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.